do you do? Today I am going to explain the math of primary 1. Let's start. The first one is which is true. So this I just wrote the answers already. So it's C because 5 is smaller than 9. So they said it correct as I'm saying. And A is 8 is smaller than 7. So how come it's 8 is smaller than 7? And B 6 is bigger than 7. But when you count the number, 6 is smaller than 7. And D is 4 and 4. 4 right here they said it is bigger than 4 right here. But it is the same number. So it must be the equal sign right here. So that's not correct too. And the correct answer is 5 is smaller than 9. Let's go to the next one. The diagrams show how sweets are shared amongst friends. What fraction do each person receive? I just wrote the answer already, so you know the answer already. So let me explain you. The candy right here, we have 4. So yeah, 4 right there, and each of them get 1. So the answer is right here. It's correct. And A 2 and 2 over 2. 2 over 2, like this we have only 2, and then we need to take 2. So how do the children get the candy? Because one of them take 2 already, and there's 0 left. So the 3 more children have no candy. And B is 1 over 2. 1 over 2, they have only 1. So we need to take 2 of them, but that's not enough. So both the 4 children do not have any candy. And C is 1 over 3. 1 over 3, they have only 1, but we need to get 3, but that's not enough. That's not a correct answer too. So the correct answer is 1 over 4. Let's go to the next one. Which number is next? So we count by 2. 2, 4, 6, and right here blank. So which one do you think is the correct answer? Right here is 7, here 8, here 12, and here 246. So which one do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is 8. Because if 7, we count right here 6, we count only 1, so equal to 7. So right here, if we said 12, 6, we need to plus 6 more, equal to 12. And this 246, we need to plus even more. And the correct answer is 8. 8 right here is the correct answer because none of them is the correct answer except B. The last one is which number is missing. So we count by 10. 10, 20, 30, blank, and 50. Which one would you think is the correct answer? The first one is 10, 40. The first one is 10. B is 40. C is 60. And D is 70. So here, if you don't know the answer, let me circle it for you. The answer is B, because if we count by 10, we could count our fingers. So when we count it, we count by 10 because our finger have 10 too. So we have 40. And A is 10. So 10 right here. If we put 10 right here, that's not correct. So if we plus with we put the number right here, like 10, 20, 30, 10, and 50. But we have 2 tens here and here. That's not correct. And C is 60. If we put 60 right here, that's not correct too. If we count it like this, 10, 20, 30, 60, and 50. But if we have 40 and 50 right here and put 60 right here, that's correct. But right here, D is 70. That's if we put it, we need to put it like this: 10 right here, 20 right here, 30 right here, 40 right here, and 60 right here, and 70 right here at the last one. So that will be the correct answer. But we need to put right here. So the correct answer is 40. Thank you for listening to my explaining the math of primary 1.